Welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data engineering and exploring what it takes to become a successful data engineer. So if you're someone who's fascinated by data and loves working with technology, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around till the end because we have some valuable insights to share with you. Let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics of data engineering, let's first understand what it is and why it's such a crucial field in today's data-driven world. What is data engineering? Data engineering is the discipline of designing, constructing, and maintaining the infrastructure that enables the collection, storage, processing, and analysis of data. Think of data engineers as the architects and builders of the data ecosystem. They build robust pipelines and systems that ensure data is collected, transformed, and made accessible for further analysis by data scientists, analysts, and other stakeholders. So, why is data engineering so important? Well, in a world where data is generated at an exponential rate, organizations need professionals who can manage and process this vast amount of information efficiently. Data engineers play a vital role in ensuring that data is reliable, accessible, and ready to be used for making critical business decisions. Now that we have a basic understanding of data engineering, let's talk about the skills and steps you can take to become a data engineer. How to become a data engineer? Step 1. Develop a strong foundation in computer science and programming. To excel in data engineering, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of computer science fundamentals. Start by learning programming languages such as Python, Java, or Scala. These languages are widely used in the data engineering field and will serve as valuable tools in your toolbox. Step 2. Master data manipulation and querying. As a data engineer, you'll often work with large datasets and databases. It's essential to have a strong grasp of SQL, structured query language, and data manipulation techniques. Familiarize yourself with concepts like joins, aggregations, and indexing as they will be your bread and butter when working with data. Step 3. Gain experience with big data technologies. In the world of data engineering, big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka are widely used. Familiarize yourself with these technologies and learn how to utilize them effectively. Experience with cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure is also highly valuable in today's industry. Step 4. Learn data warehousing and ETL, extract, transform, load processes. Data warehousing and ETL processes are essential components of data engineering. Understanding how to design and build data warehouses and efficiently transform and load data from various sources will make you a valuable asset to any organization. Step 5. Stay updated with industry trends and developments. The field of data engineering is rapidly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging all the time. Make sure to stay updated with the latest trends and developments. Join online communities, attend conferences, and explore relevant blogs and publications to keep your knowledge current. So, there you have it, 5 crucial steps to becoming a data engineer. Remember, it's a journey that requires continuous learning and adaptation to the evolving landscape of data engineering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I'd be thrilled if you could hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest content we publish, including more in-depth discussions on data engineering, data science, and technology trends. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We have plenty of exciting videos lined up just for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in discussions. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning. Bye.